Hi fellow networkers, this is Edward Reformina and welcome to my blog. This is my home here in the internet and this is the place kung saan ako nag-share ng mga tips, articles, and free trainings for networkers. So, below this video is where you can get a free access to my 10-day online MLM Mastery Training. Maraming mga networkers ang nagtatry para gamitin ang internet to build their business. But unfortunately, they're using the internet the wrong way. So, some of the tactics na ginagamit nila are spamming, tagging of pictures in social media, and posting in someone's wall, and trying to pitch their business without building relationship first. So, unfortunately, these tactics are very ineffective. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Dahil yan din yung mga ginagawa ko noon. The good news is, in this free training that I'm going to share with you, the 10-day online MLM Mastery Training, I'm gonna be sharing with you the strategies that I'm using right now. So, you will learn how to use and how to leverage the power of the internet to build your business. So, matututunan mo kung paano mo ba gagamitin yung internet ng tama at ng mas effective. Okay? So, all you need to do to get free access to this training is put your info below and click the Get Access button. So, have a wonderful day and thank you for dropping by here in my blog.